Hey, this is the summary of my today's work. Um, I spent some time reviewing the our current structure in the datdot service and trying to adapt it to the structure that we are using in the for the UI. So I'm trying to split the whole app into four sections. User, which is managing the accounts, private keys, passwords, balance, and so on. Data, which is managing data and hosting plans. Starting a new hosting plan, pausing it, resuming it, and so on. Jobs section, which is managing resources provided to the network. How much storage do you have available on your computer? How much, I don't know, CPU bandwidth, and so on. Can you afford to offer? And the last part is, I don't know if it's gonna be already part of the first iteration, but maybe just the basic thing. But this will be part for tracking the usage settings and solidarity for connected apps. So you will be able to connect to hyper core based apps and support them with the solidarity. So basically donating to them, and otherwise also adjusting certain settings, like which data do you allow from your local storage for certain app, and so on. So this is basically like the main structure. So I'm now trying to put all these state machines into the sections where they belong. So for example, in the data section, we have this plan stuff, and I just have here like a scaffold of what is coming for a plan thing. So publishing, pausing, resuming, ending a plan, and so on. And for jobs, we already have had before like this a test, host, and encode. So in order for hosting, we need also these supporting jobs. So every node can perform them. So what I also did, I split the code into, I had before already these machines. They are using sub machines, but before they were all in the same file. So now I also split them in separate files. I also prepared the demo folder where I will write the simulations to use all this logic, so that I see if everything is working perfectly. And next to this, I think I didn't. Okay, I was brainstorming a little bit about the naming, but yeah, this is not important now. What is my plan? Yeah, to slowly start moving over the code, and in parallel, of course, refining these state machines and trying to see how they could connect to the existing logic, and how they could actually execute all this logic, so that we execute the logic through these state machines. So this is the work that I will continue. But yeah, I'm quite happy with what was done today. So if you have any questions, ping me. But otherwise, see you tomorrow.